So in today's video, we are going to be having a family beach day. So basically right now, I'm just feeding Linnell. Now I'm just going to show the kids getting ready, I think. Okay guys, I picked out Lila's outfit last night, and as you can see, she is very tired because we were up all night planning for this day. But yeah. By the way, guys, don't ask why she has two of these hats. I don't really know, to be honest. But yeah. So now I'm gonna get her dressed. You ready to get dressed, Lila? You guys can tell that she's very, very tired. Okay, Lila, Mama's gonna go ahead and dress you, okay? Okay. Okay, there we go, Lila. I have nowhere to put this, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put on your cute little glasses. Now we're gonna go ahead and go downstairs and wait for everybody else to get ready. Okay guys, before we go, we're obviously gonna eat breakfast, so I'm gonna tell you what everybody has for breakfast. So I just have avocado bagel with a cup of coffee. Over here, Darius has a peach bagel with a piece of bacon. Lila over there has eggs and bacon because she doesn't like to eat fruits or vegetables for some reason. Linnell, little cute baby Linnell, he has some scrambled eggs, you know, because we don't want to feed him too much because he's still growing his, what's it called? Taste bud? No, I don't think it's that. Food palette. Yeah, food palette. Over here, my husband has bacon and the same thing that I have. And he also has coffee. Then over here, my mom has a whole fruit plate because apparently, from her side of the view, she's too bougie to eat what we're eating. But it's okay because we're just gonna enjoy our food. So yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, we're all ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead and collect all the dishes and then we can go soon. Lila, do you have dishes in your hand? Here you go. Why don't you give her your dishes? Sorry. Okay, you can go ahead and give me this. Okay, I'm gonna check the chore chart and see who's gonna be doing the chores today. Okay. By the way, guys, I did renovate the house a little bit, so maybe I'll do a little house tour coming soon. Okay, is everybody ready to go? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Come on now. Okay, let me go ahead and put you in here. Oh, it's okay. Okay, where are the keys? Oh, I don't know. Does nobody have the keys? Calm down, just calm down. I'm pretty sure we have them somewhere. Okay, kids, here are your masks. Oh, and Lila's inhaler. Okay. Do we not have my bag? Okay, everything's going wrong. You know what? Let's just go. Yeah. Okay, come on, guys. Okay guys, right now we are on our way to the beach, and as you can see, the car's a little bit cramped. We might go get a different car because this one's just not going to do it for a big family like us. But yeah, we are just on our way to our local beach, so we'll see you later. Okay guys, we're finally here, as you can see. So we're just gonna pick a spot, and then we're gonna shower really quick. So let's go, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, we made it to the beach, and we also found a spot. So now we're gonna go ahead and put on some sunscreen because even though we're black, we still gonna need the sunscreen. So here you go, Darius. Okay. Okay, now here you go, Lila. Stop! Get out! Okay, and also me. Okay, here you go. Okay. Come on, Gma, you still need some. What's going on? We're just trying to give you sunscreen. Oh. Okay, now come here, little baby Lynette. I'm only gonna put a little bit on you because you don't need that much. Okay. Everybody, you can go swim now. Me and your father are just gonna sit here. Yay! Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. By the way, again, guys, thank you so much for 100 subs. I never thought I would get this far, but I did it, and yeah.
Please pray for me because the kids are gonna get a sugar rush. Like, look how much ice cream they got.
Bye, guys.